Oh my, I just started sneezing. Is it? Yeah, this is not snot, okay? It's spit. And so please stop asking me to have a tissue. I'm not snotty. I do not have a cold. I do not have hay fever. I'm just spit a lot when I when I sneeze. And the sniffling is well. Then maybe you need to study biology more. Because when you sneeze, you get an irritation, and what happens? Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. So what happens? Your mouth, your nose, and your ears, and your throat are all related. So if you get an infection in one, you get an infection in another. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay. It's like when you're peeling onions. It's like when you're peeling onions, you start crying. I mean, you're not really crying. What it is, all the ear channels, the nose channels, the throat channels, the eustachian channels are producing liquids from the onions. And it's not because you're snotty. It's not because you have a cold. It's not because you have a hay fever. It's not because you have an allergy. It's just because onions do that to you. And that's the same with my sneezing. When I sneeze, I'm not snotty. I've just got tears from my eyes going into my nose or going through all my channels, and it's making me sneeze. Well, not making me sneeze, making me sniff. Oh, it looks like that sneeze is finished because I was talking again. Oh well. This was recorded today at the 17th of July. So it's a new video. I do have other videos, but I can't find them no more because I updated Windows 10. And it removed all my screensavers, it removed all my shortcuts from my desktop. It doesn't even find my iPhone no more. So I'm having to share things from my iPhone to my computer. No. Yeah, via Blue Mode. Etc, etc. Anyway, I think I finished sneezing. And I hope you all had a good weekend. Keep posted, folks. If you like my links, subscribe. If you don't like my posts, click thumbs down. If you like my posts, click thumbs up. And love you all. Keep posted. And I'm going to go whoop. Yeah, here we go. Whoop. Good night, all. Whoop. See, it doesn't work. Still doesn't work.